Hey everyone, hope you're having an awesome day and ready to have some fun drawing. For this video you will need something to draw with, like a marker or something. Something to draw on paper and something to colour in with as well. We've got lots of colourful markers, but you can use anything else that you like as well.
Like crayons, paint, oil pastels,
that's right,
pencils.
Yeah, cool. Alright, so you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, now we're going to draw our bunny Popsicle.
That's right. Now to be clear, it's a bunny shaped popsicle, not a bunny flavoured popsicle. That would be a little bit weird.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to, I think, draw our shape of our bunny.
Bunny.
So I think let's start with the top. We're going to draw the bunny ears. So we're going to start here and go up. Nice, long bunny ears. Yeah, like that. And we'll do another one on the other side. So it's just the opposite. Go down like that. Cool. And up to you, you can make your ears shorter or longer or bigger. You can make them any shape you like. Then all we need to do is just join these two lines here. So that's the top of his head. Yeah. And then what we're going to do is draw a bit of an oval shape for the rest of his head there. So we're going to start on this side here. And we'll go around. We could start on the other side. Like that.
It doesn't need to be perfect because bunny's fur is sometimes sticking out. Yeah,
that's right. It doesn't have to be a perfect shape. But yeah, that's looking really good. So there we go. That's the shape of the bunny. And now this is good as a popsicle. It's going to be a very simple character. And we're going to draw some big eyes in here. Yeah. Big eyes will make it look cute. And then we can colour in the eyes any way you like. I am going to draw, I'm going to make one looking sideways a little bit. Draw a big pupil there. Like that. If you draw some other circles in there, you kind of make it look like the light is shining or reflecting off its eyes, and it'll look cute. We're just colouring the eyes in black, but if you want to, you can colour them in another colour, blue or green or brown or what, pink. Yeah, pink, whatever you like. Alrighty, that's looking really cool, very cute. And we are just going to draw a nose.
A heart one.
Yeah, let's do a heart nose. I think that will look cute. Just a heart shape like that. There we go. So that's a basic rabbit. So you can stop drawing there and you've just drawn a rabbit's head. Nice and easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're going to continue because we're going to make it a rabbit popsicle.
Yeah, popsicle.
And all we're going to do is we're going to draw another shape, just like the ears down the bottom. And this is the...
A stick.
That's a stick, that's right, you hold.
A stick.
And you're eating the popsicle. So you just draw a line down, a little curve, and then a line back up.
If you're eating a popsicle with no sticks, your hand will get cold.
I know, that's right. And sticky and messy, that's where you can hold it. Now with this, I'm just going to add a bit of shape to it, the edge of the popsicle stick. So you just copy the line and just join it down the bottom there. That will just give it a bit of depth.
3D.
Yeah, make it 3D and give it a bit of shape. Alrighty, so there we go. That's our popsicle rabbit popsicle.
Yeah.
And if you want to, you can put extra little details. You can see that you've added a little mouth in there. So that's cool, you can do that. Or if you wanted to, you can add some whiskers in there as well, or details. Alright, so next stage is to colouring. And we're back. So we finished colouring them in. And I have coloured mine in orange. Not the flavour orange, but the carrot flavour. Yeah, because bunnies like carrots. So I thought we'd do a bunny shaped popsicle, carrot flavoured. I'm not sure if that'll taste any good, but anyway, he's orange. and pink nose, and I've added some details on the little wooden stick there as well, so it looks like it's wood. And what have you done with yours? Yours is very colourful.
I put blueberry, cotton candy, chocolate,
Yeah.
blueberry, orange, lime, raspberry.
Wow, so that's pretty much all your favourite flavours, isn't it, in one ice cream? Did you have fun drawing?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, we hope you followed along and had lots of fun, which is the most important thing in art and practice, of course. If you liked this video and you want to see more, check out our channel. Also like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye.